care and use of Desco Model 40 needle guns is presented by Desco Manufacturing Company. Part 3 of 4, Maintenance and Lubrication. Maintenance and lubrication are essential to tool performance and tool life. The things you need to know are: every 8-hour shift of operation, the needle gun should be taken apart, cleaned, inspected for wear or damage, oiled, and reassembled. Supplies you will need are low viscosity pneumatic tool oil, a 5/16 inch Allen wrench which is applied with the tool, and a clean cloth to wipe down the tool. The maintenance procedure for the Model 40 needle gun. Remove the locking ring. Using the supplied 5/32 inch Allen wrench, remove the set screw which secures the locking ring. Put the set screw aside for later use. Remove the locking ring. Push down, rotate to the right, then pull forward. Set aside for later use. Remove the needle holder by grasping the needle cluster and pulling forward. Inspect the needle holder to make sure there are no broken needles and that the needle holder is undamaged. Replace if damage is evident. Remove the driver. Inspect the driver to make sure there is no damage or scarring. Make sure the pusher is intact. The pusher is the plastic piece at the center of the small end of the driver. Inspect the piston ring. This is the small plastic ring that fits in a groove at the small end of the driver. Inspect the cylinder for damage. Wipe the cylinder clean using a clean cloth. Lubricate the cylinder. Put a couple of drops of oil on a clean cloth. Using the oiled cloth, apply oil to the cylinder bore. Clean the driver. Be sure not to damage or lose the piston ring. Put a couple of drops of pneumatic tool oil on the driver. Distribute the oil using a clean cloth. Replace the driver into the cylinder bore, making sure that the small end goes in first. Inspect the needle holder and spring. Replace if damage is evident. Replace the needle holder by inserting into the cylinder until it contacts the driver. Clean and inspect the locking ring, making sure there is no damage. Put a couple of drops of oil on the locking ring. Distribute the oil evenly using a clean cloth. Replace the locking ring. Align stud with slot. Push to engage. Turn to the left. Lock. Now replace the set screw which secures the locking ring. Finally, lubricate the tool internally. To do so, put a couple of drops of oil in the air fitting. Attach an air hose and run the tool for a few seconds to disperse the oil. The maintenance operation is complete. The tool is ready for another 8 hours of service. Upon completion of maintenance, be sure to properly dispose of hazmat material and properly store the tool. Refer to the MSDS for proper handling and disposal of hazmat material. In this procedure, that would be oily rags and gloves. Store the tool in a clean, dry area as indicated by the tool room supervisor. Store tools in a secure manner such that they do not fall off shelves and get damaged. Avoid stacking tools on top of each other. Thank you and have a fine Navy day.